ಹದಿನೆಂಟು ಜನ. Good morning all. Audio video clear ana? Okay, sound is audible. So yesterday class we discussed regarding what is average speed or average velocity, how to calculate average speed or average velocity when distance is divided into equal parts, when time divided into equal parts, whenever distance divided equal parts, average speed is the arithmetic harmonic mean of individual speed. When time divided into equal parts, average speed is the arithmetic mean of individual speeds. Then thereafter we define instantaneous speed. What is the formula for instantaneous speed? So instantaneous speed is defined as the rate of change of distance traveled. For that instantaneous speed to discuss, today I told you one of the mathematical tool. That mathematical tool name is called as what? Differentiation. Regarding this differentiation, you will come to know in your second year mathematics. But I told to you, so for physics, so mathematics is the language for the physics. Compulsory, some basic mathematical tools, compulsory we will use in physics. Due to that one, today, first we will discuss some basic idea regarding the differentiation. It is not complete differentiation, only some basic what we required, some basic concepts related with the differentiation. Okay, Nara? And this is mathematical, basic mathematical tools. So still students are joining. You don't bother regarding anything. Today onwards, the recorded class will be uploaded in YouTube also. So physics class will be after recording. This class will be uploaded in YouTube also. You don't bother regarding that also. Okay? And don't ask individually also. So very good morning all. Okay? So I will close the chat box also. Let me continue the class. At the end of the class, what about the channel? What is the link that I will send to you in group? So don't bother that. That will be, that link will be sent in group, college channel only. That link will be sent in group only. So don't bother regarding that. I don't know regarding all subjects or not, but physics I know that. Okay, so I will upload it. Today class I will upload it. So now I am closing the chat box also. Let me continue the concept. At 9:30 I will open the chat box. Not yesterday one, today one only. If you have any doubt regarding the today class, so you can ask. So Good morning all. You need to join bit early because what is the problem? Next class immediately 10 o'clock. I have to leave the meeting at least at 9:45. Okay. So let me continue the class. Closing the chat box, we'll see it for today class. How it will be without chat box. Okay. So I told you now what is differentiation. We will discuss regarding yesterday formula. What is instantaneous speed? Instantaneous speed. Speed at a particular instant of time. Instantaneous speed calculate madbekandre we will apply the condition of limit. When limits also you will come to know in mathematics, limit delta t tends to 0. So what is the average speed? Total distance traveled by total time taken. Total distance traveled value delta s by total time taken is delta t. I will go slowly wherever required. I will explain in Kannada also. Okay. So instantaneous speed can be represented with only v. A limit delta t tends to 0. Delta t tending to 0 andre delta t not equal to 0. Delta t small ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. When delta t small ಇದ್ದಾಗ average speed for a time small time interval will become instantaneous speed. So delta t tends to 0, which can be also written as ds by dt. This d by dt name is called as what? Differentiation. It can be actually what can be written as instantaneous speed can be defined as the rate of change of distance traveled. Rate of change of distance. What is the change of distance with the time is called as what? Rate of change of distance. Rate of change of distance traveled is called as instantaneous speed. Again, ds by dt name is called as what? Rate of change of distance traveled. So this is called as what? Instantaneous speed. Actually to write properly, so d and ds value not separated, it can be written as v value will be equal to d by dt. This operation name only called as differentiation. D by dt of s. D by dt of what? S. I think for CBSE students, it is already discussed what is differentiation. What is the mathematical tool? We will discuss regarding what is differentiation. Differentiation. It is in detail, it will be discussed in mathematics. So just some basic idea I will give you regarding the differentiation. So for example, y is a one variable. Y, for example, if y is 2 into x square plus x plus 3, if they given one, so equation like this, y is equal to 2x square plus x plus 3. Let us suppose, this is let assumption. Andre y value x value ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. By changing the value of x, y value will be changes. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ? So in this equation, the value of y depends upon which value? X value. Then I can write y is a function of x. Andre y x ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So y can be written as function of x. Then the differentiation of y. So differentiation of y. So what is the differentiation of y with respect to x? Differentiation of y with respect to WRT. WRT andre with respect to x. So how y value changing with x value? That will give you differentiation. So differentiation of y with respect to x can be written as dy by dx. What is the name of dy by dx? It can be also written as dy by dx, or d by dx is indicating how does the rate of change of y. Rate of change of y with respect to x value. This function name is called as what? Differentiation. Y is equal to dy by dx. It is indicating how does y value changes with the x value. But when I can differentiate y with respect to x, y differentiate with respect to x madbekandre y should be function of x. Then this dy by dx is name is called as what? Differentiation of y with respect to x. It is also called as the derivative of y with respect to x. Don't be hurried. I will show you all examples and everything. Just the name of dy by dx will indicate the rate of change of y with respect to xy, or the derivative of y with respect to xy. For example, y is 2 into t square plus 3 into t plus 5. Y value depends upon t value. Then y can be written as function of x t here. Y here function of t. By changing the time t value, y value changes. Y can be written as function of t. Whenever one variable is a function of another variable t, then the derivative of y with respect to t can be written as what? Dy by dt. Dy by dt. Actually, it can be also written as d by dt. You should know that d by dt is not separate. D by dt name is called as one operation. That operation name is called as what? A derivative, or it is also called as a differentiation, which can be written as d by dt of which one? Or d by dt of here y value. Derivative of y with respect to time. So what is derivative is indicating? Derivative is indicating actually here y is a so independent quantity, t is a independent quantity. Shivakumar, wait for 1 second. So how does the dependent quantity changes with the independent quantity? That is given by differentiation. What is differentiation is indicating the variation of dependent quantity with respect to the independent quantity. That how does the dependent quantity changes with respect to independent quantity? That name is called as what? A differentiation. If you know this much, that is enough as per our concept point of view. Andre? ಇಲ್ಲಿ y is called as dependent quantity. Y x ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So don't raise your hands. Let me continue. So at the end of the class, at the end of the concept, I only will open the chat box, and whatever your doubts are there, I will clarify. Okay, na? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ y is the depends upon x value. So y is called as what? Dependent quantity. And x value independent quantity. How does the dependent quantity changes with respect to independent quantity? That is given by differentiation. Differentiation, if you know this much, differentiation is the one of the mathematical tool, one of the mathematical operation which will indicate the variation of dependent quantity with respect to independent quantity. So that differentiation can be represented by either dy by dx, or so here whenever y is a function of x, I can write to dy by dx. Whenever y is a function of t, I can write a dy by dt. Are you getting Aram? So function ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗಿ so differentiate ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. For example, here y value not depends upon x value. So when I differentiate y value with respect to x value, what is differentiation of y with respect to x andre dy by dx. dy by dx value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 0. y dy by dx x 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Y value x ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. When y not depends upon x, so change of y with respect to x will become 0. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ so in wherever here y is a function of x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ as per given example y is a function of x. When y is a function of x, so y time ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. What is the derivative of y with respect to time? With respect to time, when I change the time, so y value changes or not changes? Not changes. The rate of change of y or change of y with respect to time will be equal to 0. Andre, so differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ y is a function of x, then dy by dx. Y is a function of t, then I can write dy by dt. Sir, why you calculated this? Actually, you know what is the meaning of motion. Rate of change, motion is nothing but if the position of the body changes with respect to time, then the body is said to be in motion. So whereas when I consider one example now. So distance traveled by a body is given by some 2 into t square. That's 4 into t. 1 second students, 4 into t. Nodana ivattu without chat box hengurutte class nodana. So once if you are facing more complications, then tomorrow class I will open the chat box and I will write. So distance traveled by a body depends upon time. is given by, so S value will be equal to some 3 into t square plus 2 into t plus some 6. Andre, here displacement value, 1 second run. 1 second, just now only started. Once those who joined still now only for there. If anything you want, please don't make any chat in group. In group, you don't send any messages. Okay, Nara? Are you following or not? So let me continue, because for recorded class, the message box should not be, it should not be any disturbance. That is the purpose I am continuing. Okay, now. So then, so y is equal to Ili. So no doubt at all, distance or displacement is a function of time. So distance or displacement of time ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. S value is equal to 3 into t square plus 2 into t plus 6. Sound not clear, students? I will explain once again, you don't bother this. S is equal to 3 into t square plus 2 into t plus 6. Andre, S is a function of which one? S time ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಆಗಲ್ಲ? Depend ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. When S depends upon time. So from my side, no problem with the sound. Maybe because of your network, if any problem is there, I don't know. If S value will be equal to f of t, Andre, S is a function of time. When S is a function of time, so here we can write then only the speed, which is called as instantaneous speed, is the rate of change of distance traveled, ds by dt. Rate of change of distance traveled, v value will be written as ds by dt. Nodili. So what is ds by dt? Name is called as derivative of s with respect to time. Sir, why here derivative of s with respect to time? Distance time ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗುತ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So distance is a function of time. Then I can write v is equal to ds by dt. So rate of change of distance, it is also called as rate of change of distance. Change of distance with the time is also called as rate of change of distance. WRT means with respect to. What is the meaning of WRT? With respect to. So v value will be equal to ds divided by dt. Compulsory we needed. So differentiation this. You should come to know what is differentiation. Just a simple one, nothing complicated. Don't make any concept complicated. Very simple concept. Y is a depends upon x. Y is the dependent quantity. X is the independent quantity. Then I can write y is equal to f of x. Andre, y is a function of x. Y x ಮೇಲೆ depend ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Then, so differentiation of y, WRT andre with respect to x is represented by dy by dx. ಇಲ್ಲಿ you will think that d value different to dx value different. Angalla. So d by dx itself is called as, whatever if I written this d by dx, this d by dx is there na? This is only the operation. This operation name only called as differentiation. Okay, Nara? D by dx of y. How can we pronounce this? D by dx of y. D by dx of y is called as what? It is not dividing. You are not dividing d by dx. It is d by dx of y. D by dx of y called as how does y value changes with the x value, that is given by d by dx of y. So this formula dy by dx, how can you read? You can read it as derivative of y with respect to x, or rate of change of y with respect to x. How y value changing with the respect to x will give you differentiation. Differentiation Kannada nan gottilla idu. So actually we'll call differentiation one mathematical tool. Okay. So that is the English word itself. If it is possible, so you'll come to know. You will come to know. Everyone you will come to know. You don't bother regarding this. And closing the chat box, you are not allowing me for the doing of class. Ili idu ನೀವು divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. dy ಮತ್ತೆ dx divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. It is d by dx andre it is one of the mathematical operation. This mathematical operation is indicating how does y value changing with respect to x. So this is called as what? Derivative. Mate iga, so why we needed this differentiation in this? Here s is equal to 3 into t square plus 2 into t plus 6. S is a function of t. Then what is the derivative of s with respect to time? Derivative of s with respect to time is given by ds by dt. ds by dt value already I know. Already it is equal to instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed v is equal to ds by dt. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ? ds by dt is indicating the rate of change of distance traveled with a time taken. Okay na? So some basic formulas we required for doing of this differentiation. Basic formulas for the differentiation. You will come to know all these formulas in mathematics. Now basically what are the formulas? Some formulas I will write this. The first formula I am writing. If k is a constant, if k is a constant, if k is any one constant, I want to calculate the derivative of k with respect to x. With respect to x, dk by dx. dk by dx value will become 0. Andre k is a constant. Constant andre one number. If k is 1, 2. If I taken k value is equal to some 2. Will it this k value changes with x value? What happened to dk by dx value? So k value cannot change with respect to x value. Andre change of k value with respect to x value estagutte 0. Answer will be equal to 0. So derivative of any constant which will be always equal to 0. Whenever if any constant is given, its derivative value will be equal to 0. If k is a constant, dk by dx value will be equal to 0. Okay, Nara? The second one. If k is a constant, formulas you have to remember. So you should take the screenshot. If k is a constant, k is one constant. 1 second, and so let me write and u is a, some u I will take. U is a function of x. U is function of x. Now what I want to calculate, see Devi, wait, what is the derivative of d by dx of k into u? D by dx of k into u. K is there, u is there. Since here k constant, k, if I do differentiation, so you should write k value outside. K into du by dx. When I can write this formula, so whenever the k value constant and u is a function of x, formulas you have to remember. What is d by dx of k into u will become k into du by dx. K into which one? Du by dx. That is the second formula you have to remember. And the third formula. So if u is a function of x and also v also function of x, u value depends upon x value, v value also depends upon x value. So what is the derivative of d by dx? Derivative andre d by dx of u plus v formula. Illi enilla multiply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇದು d by dx one function. So one operation you have to multiply, which is equal to d by dx of u plus d by dx of v. Whenever the derivative of u plus v given, the formula will be given by du by dx plus dv by dx. This is the one formula you have to remember. How and why is not required for you. You will come to know all derivations all in mathematics. Now I want only the formulas. Similarly, what is d by dx of? If u is a function of x and v also function of x, what is d by dx of u into v? D by dx of u into v formula. What is d by dx of u into v? So u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. So this is the formula for d by dx of u into v. Okay now students? So next point is fifth formula. What is d by dx of u by v? D by dx of idu u, idu v. Symbols are clearly known that. So d by dx of u into v will be given by. So what is the formula I am giving, which is v square into. Here I will get v into du by dx, v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by v square. You don't ask how and why. How and why you will come to know in mathematics. Only we want the formulas. Idu d by dx name is called as derivative. Derivative of u by v formula. So v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx divided by what? V square. So this is one formula. And one more very important formula we will get here is what is d by dx of, so some u power n. U power n. If u is a function of x, a derivative of u power n value. Here I will write u power n. U is a function of x. Then what is the derivative of u power n value? U power n value. This formula will be given by d by dx of u power n formula, n into u power n minus 1. N into u power n minus 1 into du divided by dx. If you can remember, all formulas are not, even not all formulas are needed. But among all these formulas, very important formulas for us is, the second formula is very important. You have to remember d by dx of k into u. Actually, d by dx of k into u. K is a constant. I can apply the formula UE formula. When I apply the UV formula, what I will get? K into U into, so du by dx plus K into du by dx plus U into dk by dx. I know that dk by dx value will be 0. Why? Because when k is constant, so I can write it as k into du by dx plus u into, this term will be 0. Then what will get the answer, which is k into du by dx. You can take only screenshot for this formulas. Formulas, derivations are not necessary. Just so you should come to know what is the meaning of differentiation. So differentiation is the one of the mathematical operation which will indicate the variation of dependent quantity with respect to the independent quantity. Whenever a k is constant, so dk by dx value will be equal to 0. If k is constant and u is function of x, d by dx of u into v. This is the required formula we want. So d by dx of k into u formula, which is k into du by dx. If you want one example, we'll take. What is that example? So d by dx of, so sum, d by dx of sum 2 into x, I want to calculate. The derivative of 2x value is 2. But only, so 2 is constant. So I can write 2 value outside. Then what can I write? Into dx by dx. Only dx by dx value will be cancelled. So I will get the answer of 2. The derivative of x value will be equal to 1. Why it is 1, you will come to know. So understood, Ara? This is one example for this formula. D by dx of 2 into x value will be equal to 2 into dx divided by, so dx value. Okay, Nara? We'll come to know. Only the formula screenshot you have to take. And what is the third formula? If u is a function of, here, so u and v. So are you identifying properly now? U also function of x, v also function of x. Then what is the derivative of u plus v formula? Derivative of u plus v formula, du by dx plus dv by dx. If u is a function of x, this is the required formula for you. But differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ, when you can differentiate u with respect to x, when u is a function of x, when you can differentiate v with respect to x, when v is a function of x. Similarly, what is d by dx of u into v? D by dx of u into v, formula is u into dv by dx plus v into du by dx. A derivative of u by v. So v into du by dx minus u into dv by dx by v square. Even this formula not much required for you to tell properly. So this formula is somewhat complicated. Now you not required that formula that much. So you can remember this is the one formula. What is d by dx of u power n? D by dx of u power n formula, power will come to here, n into u power n minus 1 into du by dx. Du by dx. This is the one formula which is very important for us, especially for doing now differentiation. So here, for example, if I take the example for this formula, what is d by dx of x power n? Actually, here I can differentiate one quantity with respect to same quantity also. So d by dx of x power n can be written as n will come to numerator n into x power. Here u I written, here I written. Again power will be decreases by 1, n minus 1 into dx by dx. Here du by dx, here dx by dx. Dx cancel. So what will get the formula? N into x power n minus 1. You can remember this formula also. What is d by dx of x power n formula? D by dx of x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. N into x power n minus 1. What is d by dx of x square? X square value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 in place of n what is there? 2. 2 will come to numerator na. ಮತ್ತೆ again x will come. Listen carefully. Again power will be decreases by 1 na. 2 minus 1 na. Into which value will get dx by dx. So dx by dx value will be so cancel. So 2 into x power 2 minus 1 value will be equal to 2x. What is derivative of x square? Derivative of x square value will be equal to s to 2x. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದಲ್ಲ formula? Derivative of x square value will be equal to 2x. Similarly, what is the derivative of x cube value? d by dx of x cube ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? d by dx of x cube value ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 3 will come to numerator. X will be decreases by 1. X power. So how much I will get? 3 minus 1. Into which one? Dx by dx. Correct? Dx cancel. What will get the answer? 3 into x square. Andre, so differentiation calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the power will come here. So power what is there? It will come to here. Again x, the power will be decreases by 1. Before it is x cube, now it will become x square. Similarly, what will get the derivative of x power 4 value? Don't type any messages in group. What is d by dx of x power 4 value is to? X power 4 value 4 into 4 will come to numerator. Front into x na. Power will be decreases by 1 na. So answer is 4 into x cube. What is d by dx of 1 second? D by dx of x power 5 ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 5 will come to numerator. X power of x will be decreases by 1. So answer is to 5 into x power 4. What is d by dx of x power 10? X power 10 derivative ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 will come to numerator into x into 10 minus 1 will be of 9. Like this. Especially you should know this single formula actually to tell complete differentiation now for us is based on this formula. For us, especially for this chapter, this formula is very, very important for us. I can give this formula directly, but you should come to know what is the meaning of differentiation. So 1 second, so that you should come to know. That is the reason why I discuss. And if I continue one more example, how I will consider. So for example, what is d by dt of x power n? Andre, x is a function of time. What is d by dt of x power n? N will come to numerator. Front x power will be decreases by 1. N into x power n minus 1. Into what I will get? Dx by dt. Into dx by dt. For example, what is d by dt of x square value? D by dt of x square value 2 into x. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ into dx by dt. ಇಲ್ಲಿ dx not there. If it is dx cancel. But here dx by dt is there. It will not cancel. Mate what is d by dt of x cube value? D by dt of x cube value will be given by so 3 into x square into what I will get? Dx by dt. Are you getting us, students? So the first term, you make the screenshot for this formula. So regarding the differentiation is nothing but one of the mathematical operation. Though class will be uploaded for few members, if you want only the screenshot, you can make the screenshot. Still class not completed. So once you make the screenshot, Why we needed to discuss the differentiation? Instantaneous speed is the rate of change of distance traveled. It is also called as derivative of s with respect to time. So v value nothing but ds by dt. V is equal to so ds divided by dt. So due to that reason, now first paper screenshot. First page screenshot. Okay. So after completion of this first page, now this is a second page screenshot. Differentiation is representing the variation of dependent quantity with respect to independent quantity. So differentiation symbol you know d by dx. What is differentiation operation can be represented by d by dx. D by dx of which value? Y value. Okay, Nara? Differentiation, if you know that much, that is sufficient. Then regarding this differentiation, what are the basic formulas? So first page screenshot is over. Which the screenshot you want, you can take. First page. Then after this, second page. Then after this, third page. If you take all or not, compulsory you write down these basic formulas. Fourth page. Fifth page. And the sixth page. These are the basic formula for the differentiation. If the total differentiation understood or not, that is not necessary. Only this one formula is understood or not, once you have to remember. D by dx of u power n into u power n minus 1 into du by dx. D by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. So these formulas you have to remember for doing of which one? For doing of differentiation. Okay, Nara? So that is the basic formulas which are required for doing of differentiation. Now let me see one example problem. So based on our topic. For example, the distance traveled by a body is a function of time which is given by 5 into t cube plus 3 into t square plus 2 into t plus 5. This is the distance traveled by a body. So S is a function of time. S is a function of time. The distance traveled by a body depends upon time given by the equation S is equal to 5 into t square. S value will be equal to so 5 into t square t cube plus 3 into t square. T ra. This is also t and this is also t plus 5. S is a function of time. Now what I want to calculate? What is the instantaneous speed? I want to calculate what is the instantaneous speed. This is the last question for this class. I want to calculate what is the instantaneous speed at t is equal to 2 seconds. 2 seconds, what is the speed value I want to calculate? Instantaneous speed formula I know. So V is equal to ds by dt. Correct, Ara? Derivative of s with respect to time will give you instantaneous speed. Then V can be written as, so V value will be equal to d by dt of. What is s value? 5 into t cube plus 3 into t square. 3 into t square plus 2 into t plus 5 plus 5. This is the value of s. Now we will see how can we apply the formula. Here a number of terms are added. We know derivative of u plus v. What is the formula for derivative of u plus v? D by dt of u plus v. If u and v are the function of time, derivative of u plus v can be written as du by dt plus dv by dt. Right, Ara? But here not only u plus v, there are 4 terms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need to separate them all. So what can I able to write? I can write v value will be equal to d by dt of 5 into t cube plus d by dt of next which value? 3 into t square plus d by dt of 2 into t plus d by dt of 5. Is this formula understood? How I applied this formula? Is it understood? By using u plus v. If it is still there are more number of variables are there. So these all I written. 5 into t cube, 3 into t square, 2 into t plus 5. Then now once again, here this is of the form derivative of k into x. So whenever the derivative of k into x formula, k into k value constant can be written outside into d by dt of which one? T cube. Correct? Plus only 3 is constant. 3 number which is d by dt of t square. Plus here 2 constant. 2 can be written outside. D by dt of t. Plus any of 5 constant. So I can write d by dt of 5. Now can I apply the formula? What is d by dt of t power n? D by dt of t power n formula n into t power n minus 1. N into t power n minus 1. That is derivative of t power n formula. Can I simplify this? What I get? V is equal to 5 is there. T cube derivative how much? T cube derivative 3 into t square. Directly can I write 3 into t square. Why 3 into t square? D by dt of t cube. So 3 as per this formula 3 will come to numerator 3 into t power n minus 1. N minus 1 means 3 minus 1 into dt by dt. Dt by dt cancel. So what will get the answer? 3 into t square. Correct? Plus next term will be 3 into d by dt of t square. 3 value as it is. T square derivative is to 2 into t. Can I write? Why 2 into t? 2 will come new here front term. T power 2 minus 1 plus. So 2 into. What is derivative of dt by dt? Dt by dt cancel. Derivative of t. Actually, the derivative of t, d by dt of t power 1. Nothing is there means 1. 1 will come to numerator. 1 into t power 1 minus 1. 1 into t power 1 minus 1 value 0. Andre 1 agutte. Derivative of t power 1 will be equal to 1 only. So 2 into 1 plus derivative of 5 is there. Derivative of 5. 5 derivative. 5 is a constant. Constant derivative value 0. Then finally, what will get the answer here is the final answer value will be given by. What is the final answer value? Will be given by what? Derivative final answer value v will be equal to. Can I multiply? When I multiply, this answer will be equal to 15 into t square. Correct? Plus 6 into t plus 2. Idu one. Actually they given. So instantaneous speed value at a time t is equal to 2 seconds. They asking us to calculate what is the instantaneous speed at a time t is equal to 2 seconds. So at 2 seconds, at which time? At t is equal to 2 seconds. Then what is v value? V value will be equal to 15 into. I can substitute t value as a 2. 15 into 2 square plus 6 into 2 plus 2. So what will get the answer? 15 into 2 square value 4 plus 6 into 2 value 12 plus 2. So what will be the final answer? 15 4s are 60. 60 plus 12 plus 2. So what is the final answer value given by 72 plus 74? So 74 meter per second. The 74 meter per second is the instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed at what time? At a time t is equal to 2 seconds. Notice if they given, so distance traveled by a body as a function of time. So instantaneous speed ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ compulsory you need to so use this differentiation. Still differentiation if you can understand that single formula, so that single formula is sufficient, then you can do maximum what are the required differentiation. Okay, Nara? Is it okay? Understood, our students? So once you make the screenshot for this question, once you take the screenshot, now you'll open the chat box. If any doubts are there, you can ask your doubts. So take the screenshot for this question. Okay, Nara? So this is for the today class. Now if any doubts are there, you can ask. Okay, so I will send in YouTube till up to this class, till up to now.